Hello, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to colorize and restore an old photo in Photoshop. So all you have to do is just pick an old photo you want and just click clipboard if you're pasting it. Just open the photo in Photoshop, whether it's off your computer or not. If it's off your computer, just do File, Open File, and then if it's off your clipboard, just click Clipboard and then paste it in. So once you've got the photo in here, what we're going to do first is colorize it. So we're going to go up to here, filters, and then neural filters. And then wait for that to load. And then go down to colorize and then check the box. And as you can see, some parts of the image are still grey and then some parts aren't. So I like to try to find a profile that works the best. So you can go through all of these, you can pick what you'd like. I kind of like this one, but this one's also good, so just pick between those two. I'll just leave it on this one. And then if some parts of the image look off as well, you can manually color it up here, but for the sake of this video, we'll just leave this as it is here. So once that's done, I'm just going to hit OK, and then we have to deal with these scratches on the video, so we're going to zoom in on them. And then we're going to select the spot healing brush tool and then just select the scratches, and then Photoshop will do all of the work and remove them. And then you can go through doing this, it might take a while. So that's a pretty good example for now. We don't need to do it properly. I'd recommend don't obsess about little things because you end up taking ages. So the best thing to do is just pick the ones that are most visible from large zoom, as long as you're not bothered about that. If you really want, you can go ahead and zoom in and start fixing little ones, but it's best not to. The best thing to do, I'd recommend, is just stay zoomed out and pick the ones that are most noticeable to fix. So I would spend a while doing this, but let's just say for the sake of this video I'm done. I just need to hit File, then Export, and then Export as PNG. And then you can save your image. So that's the difference up here on screen now, and that's the before and after. Thank you for watching. Bye.